Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a speech with Microsoft Copilot. It's a free available AI chatbot that you can access by coming to copilot.microsoft.com. So here you just make sure you are logged in to your account and then you can come over here. You can be able to brainstorm the ideas of what kind of speech that you're trying to write. Assuming maybe I have a talk, deliver, academia, or practice, or both of them. Planning for early career development for 500 level civil engineering students. I need you to write a 20-minute inspiring speech on the topic is. You can make it engaging, practical, and motivational with relevant examples and a strong conclusion. So this is the prompt where I'm going to give it. You can vary it. You can be as specific as you want regarding whatever you are trying to write about. So I'm just going to send in this using this simple model, be able to see how it's going to brainstorm compile. This is a full draft of the 20 minutes inspiring tell-about 500 level students of civil engineering on the theme academia with practice with both this. So take a look. Good morning. Future builders regulations on the first day as not just students but engineer who design bridges that connect communities, roads, and drive the panels and structures that stand of purpose. At the critical point and can threshold between academic and practice, the person with the speech art to relate linear proactive event. So this is a very comprehensive speech. Author talks about the value of academia, which will take in 5 minutes to talk about academia as a foundation. Then this is the depth innovation begins. They also open doors to post-academic studies, research plans, teaching values, and so on. The path 2 is the power of practice. Taking 5 minutes, give you the breath, into previous beginning and beyond, the background to about beyond the orally. These kinds of bad because in the last step into the beyond with their boards, naughty, soft problems, and the example, artist touches resilience. Now, the synergy of both. Imagine combining both worlds. That's what witness that. Academia and practice together the engineers to innovate and immense. That example is be as a Cecilia, who is civil engineering embodies this behind. 4 is practical guidance for early career background. So you talk about self-assessment, internship, mentorship, continuous planning, networking, and so on. In fact, you can say the choice is not binary. They sharpens your mind, practice, strengthen your plans. Together, they shape your destiny. Okay, so as civil engineers, we are not just building structures, we're also building features. So when we choose academia or practice or both, remember, your career is not a sprint, it is a marathon. Pace yourself, invest in growth, and never lose sight the impact you can make. Okay, one day when you stand in a bridge you design will teach a class that sparks innovation, you realize that the journey was offered. The world is waiting for your brilliance, forward with courage, knowledge. This is a complete speech that you can easily copy and then you can deliver successfully during this your outing. So this is the first case. Let's try another one. Let's say I have this prompt. Prepare a keynote speech on the future of artificial intelligence and the skills every student needs. Okay, keep it inspiring, easy to understand, the take practical examples relevant to today's students. So this is also very direct and it's going to give you keynote speech. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on inside to this, and you can see within a matter of seconds to this writing the keynote speech. Opening inspiration, the future of AI, automation, personalized learning, healthcare, food, economic challenges, and so on. Skills every student needs. Critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, digital literacy, adaptability, practical examples for students, and so on. You can see it has even your up to 20 minutes keynote, even though at some point you have to experience and share based on your own experience, needing to put in a lifetime story, how one thing to another changes everything. So this concludes this sample tutorial about the use of Microsoft Copilot to write speeches. You can write speech in any form. Just be specific about the content, the structure, who will listen to the speech, and then maybe their level or its try you want to focus on during the debate. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.